welcome back to Live to Fish. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please do me a favor. Smash that subscribe button, like this video, get in on it because we're close to 300 subscribers. Once we hit 300, there's a giveaway. And as I've mentioned before, 500 and 1,000 subscribers, once I hit those milestones, big giveaways coming up. You don't want to miss it. So smash that subscribe button, like this video, share it, whatever you need to do. But let's get to 300 subscribers and beyond. Appreciate all the support. On that note, let's get some shout outs. Straight to the Point Outdoors, thank you very much for all your support. And Larry's Fishing, a couple of subscribers there that are always showing up, leaving some comments, checking out the content. Appreciate it a lot, more than you know. So thank all of you, each and every one, for all of your support for Live to Fish. Really appreciate it, folks. Also want to give a shout out to Julie Higgins. She caught a nice sized bass. And my friend Eric Kennedy, the one I went fishing with the other day on the boat, he caught his personal best. A little over 5-pounder. Good job, Eric. Let's see, how did I do the other day? Well, I did good on that one video, but then I went back the next day. Wasn't really what I expected. Let's take a look.
Mosquitoes before too. You're kidding me, right? Well, at least I didn't get skunked. Oh, poor little dude. So ambitious. Again, the dark sleeper comes through. Mama says no. All right, that's enough. No, not for you. And off he goes. Good old mega bass, dark sleeper. Awesome. And I missed the hook set on that one. There we go. Alright, well, I didn't get the hook set on this chunk, but there he is. Alright, time for the release. Again, sorry about that. I don't know why I wasn't recording, but it wasn't. There we go. That's a good fish. Nice silver bass. Right, not bad. It's a good looking silver bass. Very cool. He hit it hard. Wasn't sure what I had there for a second. All right, let's get him back in. Biggest fish of the day. Not too bad. Again, I'm going to the Lose Mach Smash. The dark sleeper. Modified so it's wounded. Worked out well. There we go. There's another one. Right, another silver bass. Looks like that's what we're going to be hitting over here now. All right, another good sized fish. Not bad for the day. Almost switched that up. Glad I didn't. There we go. A bit of a sloppy retrieve, but another nice little fish. Definitely on a school of them over here. Once they start hitting, they don't stop. Right under that stump there. Doggone it. Alright, I got it unsnagged from this stump here. He got twisted up pretty good in there. I kept him on. There we go. Well, not the biggest fish of the day, but like I said, one last cast and worked out. Not a bad fish. Go ahead and get him released. Awesome. All right, so that was one last cast. I got hung up on this stump over here. When he hit it, he went around it, got him untangled, took off, brought him back in, and I didn't lose the dark sleeper. Pretty stoked about that. So not what I expected the second day going out there. I expected to hit the smallies again, expected to hit some good sized largemouth. That silver bass run threw me for a total loop, and that was kind of towards the end of the morning, which is even stranger because everything kind of shut down along the one coastline I was at there. But yeah, kind of strange. But the skiff's going to be coming out soon again. I've been doing some shoreline fishing. Haven't had a lot of success. A lot of small bass, but nothing of decent size. I've been running buzz baits, a lot of top water early in the morning and in the evening, and haven't had a lot of success. I'm getting fish, just not getting that big bite that I'm really looking for. So again, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for stopping by and viewing this video. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Do you want to see more shoreline fishing? Do you want to see more on the UltraSkiff? Do you want to see more unboxings?
What is it that you want or you enjoy in the content? Leave me some comments down below and let me know. I did have someone, which I'll give a shout out to, Steve Renico, mention that he said I was the Bob Ross of fishing channels, which was kind of, was that a compliment? I'm not really sure. He said it was something that he could watch, get real relaxed to, and even fall asleep to. I'm not sure that's what I'm going for, Steve, but I appreciate the comments, so I'll try to pick it up a notch. So until next time, be safe, be well, and as always, live to fish. Take care, everybody.